buyers induced, trapped, entry, then straight to target. Jumping onto the daily time frame on NQ, what we can see here is a break of structure to the downside, which induces sellers. Understanding that sellers have been induced means that their liquidity will be above highs. Now, before we head down to the 4-hour time frame, there are some important things to take note of so that we can stack our confluences for our potential trade idea. Number one, the inducement of early buyers before the liquidity was swept. And number two, previous daily low was swept. Now, the important thing to take away from this is that sweeping the PDL does not give us a trade setup. This is merely used as a confluence. This is where we head down a time frame, in this case the 15-minute time frame, to get a better understanding of what price is telling us. On the 15-minute time frame, we can clearly see that this low right here respected the low to the left, which led to a bullish move, taking out highs, inducing buyers. This means that we now have a liquidity below that low. We then get a sell-off, taking out the lows. However, this does not mean that we can start looking for longs right away, as we did not sweep the overall low to the left, being this one. Price then moves to the upside, coming into the highs, building internal liquidity along the way. Now, the only way we can look to long is if price can respect this high, sell off, and sweep the internal liquidity. Now, there is an important thing to keep in mind here, which is the fact that we did not sweep the overall low, meaning that there is still a possibility we can go there. Now, understanding that, you would risk accordingly, as the probability of this setup is a little bit lower. Now we can open up the 5-minute time frame to get a better look at the internal liquidity. On the 5-minute time frame, we can see this is a clear buildup of liquidity as buyers have constantly been induced in this area. We then get a sell-off, respecting the highs to the left, which sweeps the entire internal buildup. Now this is exactly where we can enter buys, placing our stop loss below the liquidity block and targeting the highs to the left where the liquidity was built. And there you go, price rockets all the way up to the target.